Is it possible to reset a locked Samsung phone? The answer is yes. If you happen to need to reset your locked Samsung phone, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll share 2 proven methods to reset a locked Samsung phone. Just keep watching. Fix 1. Reset a locked Samsung in recovery mode. Using Android recovery mode is the first easy method you can use to factory reset a locked Samsung device. A stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection is recommended, as recovery mode may not work properly without it. No technical skills are required, all you need to do is press a combination of buttons. Here's how to reset a locked Samsung phone that doesn't have a home button. First, power off the phone completely. Then, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Next, navigate to and select the Wipe Data/Factory Reset option. Confirm the action, and wait for the phone to finish resetting. After the data is erased, your Samsung phone will restart, and you'll be able to use it without a screen lock. Fix 2. Reset a locked Samsung in one click. If you can't reset your phone via recovery mode, a better alternative for resetting a locked phone is to use a professional Android screen unlocker like DroidKit. Whether your Samsung phone is locked by a numeric password, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, or if Samsung isn't accepting your password, you can reset your device and remove the screen lock without entering a password. Additionally, DroidKit can help you bypass Google verification, FRP lock, recover lost Android data, fix common Android OS issues, and more. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Download iMobie DroidKit for free on your computer. Launch the program and click on Screen Unlocker. Step 2. Connect your locked Samsung phone to the computer and click the Start button. Step 3. Once connected, DroidKit will prepare the configuration file for your device. After this is complete, click Remove Now to proceed. Then, select your device's brand, Samsung, and continue with the process. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the screen lock. During this process, DroidKit will automatically perform a factory reset. Step 5. Wait for the unlocking process to finish. You'll see a screen lock removal completed page once it's done. Your Samsung phone will now be factory reset without the screen passcode. You can power it on after unlocking and use it normally. We hope you can resolve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.